The school has developed certain USPs and where we can proudly say that Edify stands apart. At Edify, it's not only the students that we concentrate on, the teachers are a very important part of us. We also concentrate on the teacher developmental programs, which are an active part of education at Edify. Under the teacher developmental processes or the in-service programs, we conduct trainings for them. We train them on the 3C systems. We train them on the inquiry-based systems. We train a teacher to leave the teacher behind and become a facilitator rather in the classes. That is what is required under the 3Cs. In the service programs, in-service programs and the training programs, the teacher learns how to inculcate the habit of asking questions and how to facilitate a child in asking questions. This is where one of the USP, this is a very prominent USP of Edify. Besides this, we have the student enrichment programs, wherein we have taken programs which are as diverse as Helen O'Grady's dramatics classes, which develop the personality of the child through dramatics. Then we have higher order thinking skills, wherein we develop the thinking skills which are higher in order, besides the lower order thinking skills, which are also very important to the child. Value education is not through lectures, it is not through giving the moral education to a child. Our value education is through a program called School Cinema, wherein a child is shown a 15 minutes movie which is age related. We have identified the values which are age related and a 15 minutes movie is shown based on that. After that, post that, the child is given a worksheet and life situations where the child has to answer in his or her own language. The other USP of the school is the Edu Sports program. Edu Sports is a program which is customized and it is suited to the child's need. From kindergarten to grade 5, the child is exposed to all kinds of sports activities, indoors or outdoors. But grade 6 up, the child is asked to select any 2 sports in which the child would want to get coached into. And then the rigorous training in those 2 particular sports will start. It is then that the child is coached on a regular basis and we see the progress of the child and we maintain the documentation part too. It is with a dream that maybe someday some child will be able to give me a national level or a district level or a state level. This is where we try and guide the child if the child has a lot of potential in the sports field, besides the academics that is regularly happening at the school.